Dear do so no. The Bonkrata na ye crado online portals no so aye ready a ye de bremo nti birthday girl ma me chira diamond o man hene kwabena sante aje won odwa dada memo akwa aba na fe ye hyase madofo memo akwa aba
ye no
na bibia boko de ze nipa oh nyame adom ene de enti obia me ko street
so obeti if say ade no oni nipa nete ye mo nipa ebra otiase eno na meka wase ma me chira ye wie no one minute o wonte nyoma nko yi obetimi aboa mafia oyi wani ye mo nipa ebra otiase na afina kwabena santino kwabena o kan yampa ye mo nipa afia mankwa fede mabre
yo matwai
afia
yes
do ti bi kan yani
adana me ne pani mu bi ko me so na we asi yo mate am say jawdi e no ko enya de kura just wa so kura nti e bia ram bia nti me ne wa wie
we ko zero zo e
me da senti no ye sha se de na Adom online e ho na ye koi na wo hwe animo ha no mu a Dr. Efeni say Dr. Kan ohu ya me ya Adom na wo che wie ye pe no krabre eno ho ade na wo hwe shu dwajo ni ade na ekoso no a wo ba Adom online ha bo anim ha kese pa ye bebo ransom foforo mu a Charles Bisiwa o pray General Secretary o MPP amanyoko no mo nso edit the message ama togbe afede efa article 71 office holders no so home mampani adodanko akufo adon so ebie National Museum no wasiesie ho asabie ano ebiemu ho asem efa ho
ye papa
de nyame ase tie ne ho asemnie the adomonline.com de aba asojafo mienu ene ya che wo mo allegedly wo mo rape nursing student enti ehu asem so ewa ha esu ena ekoso level 300 CCTU student no a yehu ye na yetwetwa na kwa abie no ehu video beto abonten no weekend ono so ya penokra bre na se wani se o ka kire esu pa emu oya ya na emu oya enti ehu asem bradomonline.com eno ene samafofo bi nsu twagu wani mo hanti ma me aye krado ekra daily guide obokrata no o de twaso
New Crusade guide nti me de twaso no na de da ha ne se na no Green Ghana de na ye 10th June no na what si wani so be dua 20 million na so empenifo obama na se 20 million no kra wo mutumi dua broye nti the New Crusading guys say Ghana exceeds 20 million seedling target for Green Ghana Day. Last ministry no na airtime
ye be kwa homa no so quickly aba na watu a wonsem ni so say we be hwa enkoma abetodwa na say Islamic school mofra na wono ye kira aposi for esane tie gas ego on so ma mofra ni bi akoda ya resabia no ada ye enkomo na say na anopeye to aso ya hwe say de nyoma si akodu ewo hono Deputy Minister Education nimnyam for Reverend Tim Fojo Machi
ye mi amahini na pomwa
nyame adom Reverend bibia eboko na ye ka say begidi say maso ye hono motu anamon tempa ehwe de ekoso de na beto monim na anamon be na motu
me da se me de enchiason ko no pe mi ma otifo nyaache wo be dwa fo no pe ni fo nyaache de tie no se enra da no pa ne tie se oyine BSc Islamic SHS Kumasi ama police for ne student share mu no afasoma ankura no be 38 die omo ho aka e de omo akọ hospital yete ya naso doctor ya said to Minister for Education to me say member Kumasi member school ho me he said the nyoma ko ne mu ana bibia anto yi e ba yen so EBC Regional Minister, so Regional Director of Education, the Mayor of Kumasi, Charles President, and then Penifo Ahodo, and in about 9 school ho. Ye call Yensono, ye co share said the Encorano, and whom a tear, that's our call Aspiti Ahodoa, and Corano, Yaji Moto, who in a co share woman. Na Yankopo Adomara qua, said the ability to draw na acquire in the Sieno, ye call her not and yes, and a tear. Amyaduma 1 year womukikai no according to nurses for any doctors so they were treating them on respiratory issues. No, home so they were treating them on those, a lot of the people, no, sir, conditions, no, stampede nearby, no, treaty one. Kakre bina atunze bia na ne mema so atia na sen be bi ahotre onyina no they were treated out of 38 no the mo 22 dey o mahene enra na wo yi wom
out of 38 no
back to campus
out of 38 no out of 38 22 abafie akọ school
out of enra nyumri
okay
enra na yakosa wom no yenim ho a wo yi emu 22 Momo Sanko school, the Omo Sanko campus, Kotoa, Adisiaso. Na 16 canons, no, Yeshe Womoa, Omunina, so and very good conditions. What Irish Moon said, Yami Adom, and no pain so a baby, I heard the Becca, and so every day copy you ray. The better start you almost saw Sanko Kotoa, Omun Adisiaso. We are Sanko share the entire student population, and you didn't come address say the students were in very high spirit. And Nijia almost a shy, a quiny, shy, dinkita hono, a shay in cry pa. Sabri into TBSC, the Guaquemoa, a bit my academic work in Swasiano pay, the Guaquem, Midasu Kumasia means sama and cry. And a pay a mesafaho, I could say the Guaquemono sanity, and no pay years and by 7, one record that. By 7:30, one back class. A teacher for Obia, everybody is also in very good spirit. And you know, I receive more de ma for ade shareholder woman mofra Islamic SHS and say Bibia ayeboko situation no I very calm. I know ka say the to be at to talk and Quran yes sanity stampede nearby 1 year or Mukai also no. Nakupanda Roma, the door na cran ye you more kakra council, ye monitor.
Okay, so
be also as GS, Ministry of Education. So, yeah. So the Beya, Sian be more, Ebenya going forward. So the Beya, the CEO, Islamic SHS, Enkusi Biu, Evo school name, Nenku school from Mono. And so, you go I assassi, and you know, Yemanfu in Anya Rishamun said, and I'm on Tubia. Ministry of Education, led by the Minister for Education, Honorable Dr. Alcedo SE2, and GSSE2, Emma Bibia Koso Kama, Adesian Koso Kama, na and Korane Bambonsu Edimu, and Korane so, well-being, welfare, safety, so it means this is one. It be Guaquem, a teacher for them, so are in very safe condition, very secured. IGP so about so be na femu de yenya ya kambom de na wo mo hwehwe speed ramp ya den so the authorities no edin sa wo so ade penin se e be hu nso sanso manu ya wo betu hu na mo ahwese speed ramps ne ne ma bia no bisa no so no wo so betu hu na mo so we can guarantee the safety of the school community even in and around the vicinity.
Okay, just a question, but why they answer almost all the questions that Kame Busa. But Mame Musa, there's one. More engage the Ashanti Regional Police Service, no, on these matters of kwanya nipa ebo dompim titu isuku man ebo dompim eba monte so sa kwanya obefa so atimi ni won edinkita omo so achirem de ntia omo tu sa na mo na na.
So far no yinkita mudia yene authorities no enya no Bibia did an aquam or had the swift action IGP take here Obesta school no and so initial investigation the other two grand statement I will issue here and then corrective measures or the aquam one kasa I consider a woman statement in the moon say and quite one fast so name Kurandin kita home osa punkumna Kurane boy na to sin to be wom sin to be a wom bia so one shall say to one among Sabri the deputy regional commander no krano or more interdicting only one another officer be and you know and more police phone so and so certainly and you know we'll collaborate to make sure that Bibia has come to its finality as we and so the Koswa Atna or Islamic SHS and around the vicinity.
Reverend Tim Fojo, Honorable, finally, multi-mini school authorities no share ebusomo when a man of Franos are a 2 million and a sukun paying for Ben and Casa Yacheno, I wanted to see Montenso.
A bassa no, I say an years a year. We may be a basic school be a moon, said you say so, a idea in Nicohon. You may be a so a movie be a catwa. And Tinrishamu be a secoso be answer no. Assassia, giddy, assassia pa. Question be a sea bisa, and name the DSC will remove be answer assassia, a Guso and regional director for education. And so the day and Untino in the fullness of time, no. All the facts in detail will be established. Now, who may be a said to be and Sibre Essi, near whom corrective measures are else, it take who say who has seen sweeting measures are Boassa de Baya, NCBU or Islamic SHS. Now, yeah, can it sound so no, not yeah, NCBU or at any other school or mine, and to know the nursery investigative processes, no, Afanaquaya, Igusua in due course. The Babe to be answer. The Babe 2 money.
Relative for your mamma Nasi, Sir Odin Abbey. Quickly, a message that Santimantemwa, Mayor, our Kumasi, and so here are some pine, as I see a Busan Bakum, here are some pine. Man, Nasi Swajibre on the Casa, where ye Oshim, and Nasa, Adia Enstem Fate, Siwe Suku for, and Quadaso. Adiana Mon, Anna, more too so far about it.
Hello.
Here are some pine patch what I'm saying that's a Swaji Bress on here, Casaba, Bessie, a sea or shim, a dear Namon, Anna, Onum Penny for Motua Fasa, a year, a DSC or Islamic school.
You imagine me that I'm in charge, they were my family, who been so for thinking it. No credit, a woman jurisdiction because they're a metropolis. And I'm moreover, I'm a chairman of the Metro Security Committee. And the Assembly, Yabo, and among a coho. So they have IGP or Yanam, Deputy Minister by the end. Then in regional minister, so on the head of Regional Security Council, making us a military. And you will move aqua coche. She said, well, only the big cost our Mokai and a share. Car, a ball, and crowford, and ho. Among the dear babies, I said that day at now, see. Yamianim Ukrainian, then some Yazimi officers, mayor, Kratabia Metome Process, BBC, and Womu Emma, any advisors to say, baby, say, but according to school headmaster, no, see directly, no, or my short crater, and their quack Urban Rose, Bibisa, na warm here. The no, and say, and the Urban Rose for Akasa. The meantime, na IGPC were providing ropes, and webinar this step council reduce speed, you know. Now, one would be out to home. And no non channel, there's no Urban Rose to cassette or mobile assessment, and no market permanent solution to speeding a cost war. And your name. MTT before a building town. Yakasa as an assembly, your project be a friend a big arrest. Bloomberg philanthropy initiative for road safety. And Namsun Tino Yaninya big guns the name and Yama Ubisamu Mutibia walk Kumasi radio on the catch of your training some of the journalists on issues on road safety, no. Bloomberg initiative, no plans a war for reduction of speed, you know. The Bema and your transport section now, or more edimu akucheno, and MTT before no editing como. Nobody require in a become boom, not Yabua. And run at dry call on so no. Who said one campus, no. Main street no a very dark, our campus, not outside the campus. And my said nano pay, headmaster no, or man for fortunately for us, no. I procured through where Wunya, Napo, energy minister, but Mamma Timenia, street lights, and work a crowd, the need specifics is lights are there with Martino.
Yeah.
Miss May be available and or Mumra no more fat. electrical departments no amunko fix na e ho so enye extreme ho.
Na waji bra ko hwe mofra na on try no.
Me neighbor mo na call ni nyina ba bia ye call honestly mo friend nyina as at last night na mo friend na aka hospital ho na me nye sure so be do at night no ye you mo nyina ya be nim eno mo yi bia o mo school vehicle back on Adom ko o ma cancel na vehicle na kwa stampa abefa o mo na o mo bus back so di piko ntina nipa na aka na me nye sure so be do for kra. But they were in very stable condition. I know CBN and pay will be more school.
We will take advantage of this situation as schools know, sensitize you more on their rights, and they should how it's be measured in matters of this sort.
Yeah, I'm well. I'm remember how I would say that be a man who there wouldn't me didn't come ache. We show you so yeah no that be an say the last option to any issue should be that of violence or demonstration. Assembly bar, just see a dimbrano, a beshay, I am some idea. Yenye, them could be Pimiasa. Now, in Atiago Street, near main road, or block with the Juma, and then ask for the bed block. I told him, Sapa, no report junction. Yeah, the best I call a part of a major road who block on the sun. I wouldn't say a bear as up for. It was so early in the morning, about 6:30, 6:45 now, as we say, you better assembly bar at the management level, one more leadership, a war, as such one money management, actually, one more far, one more in some and far, one more student leadership, no far common management. The management and so one more quite a move faso, among a Metro Directorate of Education, and I say Regional Directorate, no sir, Africa. Na baby so on the kata almost so much for instance send fa the Metro Director so called Regional Directorate no na ba me ho na yen so ye workry edema Metro Road Engineers no no mo hwese adwuma no e could do the idea and the Regional Administration na call urban roads reach down level no nti ye be say mra the share some the ya there no e mo asa they may have legitimate concerns to say a no dangerous, especially for mucha crime. But say so, Yadim Ran Beshi and some, I say, the emphasis on in house, both actions, should be condemned. Okay, so by virtue of your position, security same sentiment, and we are part of it. Any intent, say, Minister Rexec, Penny, be engage the security couples, probably to make some suggestions to them, Anna. Oh, emergency. There were emergency red sec a cry a China. One of the things we're going to look at, the security measures, especially in these times of threats of terrorism. We have become comprehensively. Once we're going to look at the security situations, we add it to it now. Discuss. Mayor Mayanasi, also in Chile, the Abre, Jidise. And the creepy to be that CP, Sampine, Comasi, Mayor, Anna, and in the Attribution Comway. Well, D call on some so my your break.
And a damias. Nah, make I say, Brown, no, what I do, Taibahano. Also, a child, dear pay.
Yes, cars, super cars, or Taikan school for us. As I grow. My mom, my auntie, a BBO. They are not home. Our Mukoyas are cozy kind. Not almost speed ramp, no. A hard general. A cuckoo nipa.
Speed ramp or hard junior school for a see home quine. Speed ramp a hard junior. A school for a see home quine. Yes, speed ramps nibi or my hair baby. I said a young on any level crown a hard junior. What I say, but says speed ramp hard junior when school for a see home quine.
Dieka on suye.
Bibia one de yo. Na bibia so what de ekodro.
Okay. Do it my yakudu baby.
Yes, some German pay for so. More nya ho ahwan ni ade ade. Abroche kura nkola na ye garden. Omo ye fu, omo do. Omo duadua niema. Ye imaye so spare the road kakra.
Yentine road.
Yeah, yentine road nim ni so spare kakra na ya hwe ya. De si ye na nye Oh, Osha, and Roha said, and I'm tiny be Casania there. A young homete, but the speed ramp or Quemnas, the speed ramp, and they had a school for them.
Okay, if you my name also a cartoon so there, but you back to the papers, but I'll be cartoon so and a
oh, mini Bibiana, and phone be about Facebook.
Almost the same.
Oh,
Piaga Kawana.
Ah, Onyama, I could free body well, a Juma said the best station. It's Yenya Botre, Lady and mankind, Elembele, and so say IGP, yeah, Jumani, ye papa, na fe, Shinji, Kwajo, Kagawa, and so I chim swedru, I want so. Shaya na Mwenin Benjamin so waha Esther Sian waha Abbas Zakaria and so HIA and painting and I say what must be kind of okay, so update on the ACO Asante Mantem Islamic School update on disturbance at Islamic Senior High School. Deputy Regional Commander removed, 2 other senior officers interdicted. The Inspector General of Police, Dr. George Ekufu Dampari, led a team from the police headquarters to Kumasi immediately following disturbances at a time at the Islamic Senior High School. The team met with the school authorities and visited the students who had been sent to Central Government Hospital, Kwadaso Hospital, and Konfanochi Teaching Hospital for medical attention. Some injured police officers who were receiving medical care at the police clinic, Kumasi, were also visited. Most of the students and the police officers who sustained minor injuries and were taken to the hospital have been treated and discharged. Police investigations have so far established that today, Monday, June 13, 2022, some students of the Islamic Senior High School at Bepok, Kumasi, took to the streets and blocked sections of the road to demonstrate against frequent motor traffic accidents in front of their school. The police responded to disperse the students and opened the road to normal traffic flow. The students pelted the police with stones, and the police used pepper spray and fired warning shots in an attempt to disperse them. It was further established that even though nobody was hit by a bullet, the police handling of the incident was poor and fell short of our standard operating procedure on crowd control. As a result, the Deputy Regional Police Commander, DCOP, Mr. Kwesi Akomia Apreku, who was acting as the regional commander, has been removed from his position and has been interdicted. 2 other officers, ACP Mr. George Ankama, the Regional Operations Officer, and ACP Mr. Alex Kujo Akwa, the Swami Divisional Police Commander, have been interdicted to make way for a thorough investigation into the incident. The Police Professional Standards Bureau has commenced the full-scale investigations into the conduct of the officers who were responsible for police response. Police clinical psychologists have been deployed to visit the school to offer psychological advice and support to the student body. The situation at the school is under control and calm has since been restored. A sign, Grace Ansa Akrufi, Chief Superintendent of Police, Director Public Affairs, and Onodine Sashe, a year krata we are seeing. Back to our papers now. The Ghanaian Times National Cathedral Project will pay off. Ken Oforiatta, the Finance Minister, and Ekase. And then Kolebu Teaching Hospital on high alert over COVID-19 resurgence in staff. 20 Islamic SHS students hospitalized. Green Ghana Project. Nation exceeds 20 million seeding target. Over the find that the Obokra Tenima, Dr. Stephen Amu, Adonai Friend Stika, calls for new approaches to solving economic problems, and Dr. Baumia cuts out for construction of Tamale Yendi Tatali Highway. The Daily Graphic say Green Ghana exceeds target, over 22 million trees planted, and the big one, Daily Guide, will say police fire tear gas on rampaging students, and Ira Dami, Attorney General Swakasa, will say calls for reform, Dami Anakase, and Dr. Amwa develops risky assets pricing formula. The Chronicle anymore saying.
Kamia yeseni niana waboboso wo wenim de bae ne dada nti no me di be Chronicle mu and say happy Father's Day in advance to you.
Happy Father's
and
Day.
All fathers.
Yeah.
Papa Obonio, it's to all fathers, especially
but Father's Day no. A man so amama eye ejanom edi yaw. A man including yemu bino Munina Munhi, a mama mojanom, camera woman, okay, menim. On the last time crowd caught your papa. A mama a janum to dona AD yaw. More than more rectify such challenge, you know. Cameraman also tia, oh papa, the last time crowd, or caught you.
He'll call the papa who I crowd. I mean, I'm sure when you mean camera woman. Cameraman, call the papa. If you are interested, we are there, but they say, maybe two, that's not too well. Nah, somehow, because I come.
And you would about. I didn't know you are speaking about. Yeah, Madame Papa, they do. Mr. Daku Machia, but you'll be able to move them there. Go Machia, if you are also.
You, yeah, that's a papa, Pamian, and so now Badwam, the one class online stories nearby and a cassia. The fancy how could you move some? It was so.